Today we're going to be making some shelves for our bathroom. I had this old metal shelf in there, like wire shelf you get at like Walmart or something like that. See, this is the metal shelf I'm talking about. It is so ugly. And it's super annoying, super in the way. So we're going to cut up some 1x12 rough cut pine and shape it up with a router and just put some real inexpensive, easy to do shelves in our bathroom. Alright, so there you go. Put 3 of the 5 shelves we cut in. Decided we didn't need that many. And pretty good. Not exactly happy with the angle brackets that I chose, but whatever. They're just shelves. And hold all of our stuff pretty good. And I get to use that towel rack again, which is nice.